Everything you know about motivation is wrong. Everything you know about motivation is wrong. Challenges common misconceptions about motivation and offers alternative perspectives on how to achieve goals and maintain productivity. Here are some of the key points. 1. Motivation is not the starting point, but rather a result of action. Traditional thinking suggests that motivation is a prerequisite for action. However, the article argues that the opposite is true. Taking action, even small steps, can ignite motivation. By starting, you create momentum and generate the energy needed to continue. 2. Motivation is not endless. It's a common misconception that once you find your motivation, it will sustain you indefinitely. In reality, motivation fluctuates. Relying solely on motivation can lead to burnout. Instead, focus on building habits and routines that allow you to keep moving forward, even when motivation wanes. 3. Passion is not the sole driver of motivation. While passion can be a powerful motivator, it's not the only factor. Many successful individuals achieve their goals through consistent effort and discipline, even without intense passion. Long-term success often depends on building habits and systems that support your goals. 4. Motivation is not always external. Extrinsic rewards, such as money or praise, can provide temporary motivation. However, intrinsic motivation, driven by internal factors like personal satisfaction and growth, tends to be more sustainable. Focusing on the inherent value of your work and the sense of achievement it brings can provide a stronger and more enduring source of motivation. 5. Motivation cannot be forced. Trying to force motivation can lead to frustration and burnout. Instead of striving for constant motivation, focus on creating an environment that supports your goals and makes it easier to take action. This might involve setting up a productive workspace, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, or finding an accountability partner. In conclusion, the article encourages readers to shift their perspective on motivation. Instead of waiting for motivation to strike, take action and build habits that support your goals. Remember that motivation is a natural byproduct of progress and consistent effort.